All right, let's continue now. This is the last biggest thing. Like I spoke a little while ago, we're going to take a rod, we're going to ground it out. I'm in the 190. I'm going to start here and go 3 ranges and do the same exact thing. Put it on idle, just like it's idling. I'm going to short it out. The machine's going to rev up. And I'm going to turn this knob from 0 to 100, so it's putting out 100% against the range I'm in. And we want to listen to this machine. We want to listen how it sounds, and then you will know how to compare it to. Go 240 range. Hear how that machine idled up strong. If you're ever doing this, the machine you want to buy, the guy may not want you to do it, so you ask him first. Put it in max. If you start hearing it act up, break the heart and stop it. That was under its max load. You didn't hear anything missing. You heard it lugging and struggling wide open. That's really more than 300 amps. It's up closer probably to 300, but you can't weld there all the time. But that gives you an idea. When it's cold in the morning and you're going to test, like here in Wyoming, Dakota, or somewhere like that, we do that. We short the machine out in 240, and you run through several of those rods. They'll actually start turning red if you leave it there, and the flux will smoke. And then we throw it away. I'll do that about 5 times, and that heats that generator up so that I know it's going to weld where I'm used to welding at a certain setting. I'm Gerald W. Brister, and that's a really good tip you just got.